Hello and welcome to this video. I'm going to take you through calculating the dosage of oral tablets or capsules. So there's a formula that is attached to this. So the formula is required dose divided by the available stock or the available presentation of the drug. Okay, so in terms of calculating the dosage of oral tablets or capsules, there's no need of putting the volume because the volume is always 1. So let's take a look at this. The doctor prescribed ampicillin 500 milligrams and the stock available is 250 milligrams per capsule. So let's try to calculate the number of capsules that we can give according to this prescription. So the formula is the required dose divided by the available stock. Okay, so in this case the required dose is 500 milligrams. 500 milligrams. Okay, then the stock available is 250 milligrams. 250 milligrams. Okay, so we are going to divide 500 milligrams by 250 milligrams, which is going to give us 2 capsules. Okay, so that is required dose divided by the available stock. So in the statement here, we have the required dose as 500 milligrams and the available stock as 250 milligrams. Let's take a look at another example. Okay, so the question reads, the doctor prescribed paracetamol 1 gram and the stock available is 500 milligrams per tablet. So in this case, remember the formula first of all is the required dose divided by the available stock. So the required dose that we have is 1 gram. So we are going to convert this 1 gram to milligrams. So this 1 gram to milligrams is going to give us 1000 milligrams. Okay, so that should be the first step, converting the grams to milligrams. Now after you do that, then you bring into this formula, which is the required dose, which you are going to have as 1000. Okay, 1000 milligrams divided by the available stock that you have is 500 milligrams. So you're going to divide by 500 milligrams. Okay, so your answer is 2 tablets. Okay, tablets. Okay, so 1 gram equals 1000 milligrams, so you're going to write it as 1000 milligrams as the required dose, then the available stock, that's 500 milligrams. Hence when you divide, you're going to have 2 tabs. So supposing the doctor prescribed 1.5 grams, so you're going to convert that 1.5 grams to milligrams, which is going to give you 1500 milligrams. Then you are going to divide 1500 milligrams by 500 milligrams, which is the available stock, which is going to give you 2 tabs. Okay, let's continue with this question, but with more information. Okay, so same question, but we're going to add this information. We're adding this information, which is TDS. TDS means 3 times a day. So the question is, the doctor prescribed paracetamol 1 gram TDS and the stock available is 500 milligrams. So we already know that the formula is required dose divided by the available stock. So we already calculated all these to 2 tablets. Calculated all these to 2 tablets. Okay. Now, when you look at this information and according to what the question is asking us, it means it is not complete. Okay. So this question is saying TDS, meaning 3 times a day. So what you are going to do now is you are going to continue with 2 tabs multiplied by 3. So 2 tabs multiplied by 3 for you to find out how many of these drugs is the patient going to be taking in a day. So when you look at this, you're going to have 6. So meaning 6 tabs in 24 hours because we've been told TDS. So meaning the patient is going to take these tablets in 24 hours, 6 tablets in 24 hours. Okay. Let's go further with this question. So continuation from where we ended. So the doctor prescribed paracetamol 1 gram TDS, but we have now new information saying for 3 days and the stock available is 500 milligrams. So now in this question we've already solved just for a particular dose, which is 1 gram, where we found the answer to be 2 tabs, and then we calculated in 24 hours, which is 6 tablets. Now we need to calculate for the next 3 days what the patient is going to be getting. So formula, don't forget, required dose divided by the available stock. So already we have the required dose as 1 gram, which already converted to 1000 milligrams, and then we divided by the available stock, which is 500 milligrams, and it gave us 2 tablets. Okay, it gave us 2 tabs. So that is on the first one. Then we also calculated for TDS, meaning 3 times in a day. So we multiplied by 3, then we're able to get 6 tablets. Okay, 6 tablets. Now, with the new information, we're being told for 3 days. So now we need to know how many tablets we're going to give this patient for the next 3 days, because when this prescription has been given, we can't expect the patient to be coming every day to the facility or to the hospital or to the health center to come and get those 2 tablets every time they want to take the medication for the next 3 days, so that they can have the full dose. So now you need to calculate. So we've already calculated for TDS. Now for 3 days, meaning you are going to multiply by 3. So if it was 5 days, you still multiply it by 5 and so on. So 3 times 6, you're going to have 18. Meaning the patient, you're going to pack for the patient 18 tablets. And in these 18 tablets, every time the patient has to take the medication, they have to take 2 tablets. And in 24 hours, they have to take 6 tablets. So meaning 3 times in a day, meaning 8 hourly, the patient is supposed to be taking 2 tablets, and in a day 6 tablets, and in 3 days that is 18 tablets. Okay, so this is all I had for you. If you have questions on how to calculate the dosage for tablets or capsules, you can ask your questions in the comment section below. Otherwise, see you in the next video.